Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Crafting everything in 99 Nights in the Forest. So right here, we're trying to craft everything at 99 Nights in the Forest. So craft everything 99 Nights in the Forest. You must max out your campfire right here. You need to max it to at least level 5 right here. And I have a separate video on how to level up your campfire on 99 Nights in the Forest, and that within 3 days you'll have it to level 5, and within 4 days you'll max it out. But I've only showed that video that I've leveled up to 3 days and max to level 5. Right now we have here are what we made. We have what do you call this, we have a compass right here. So here are the essentials. So right here, this one right here, the map. So we need to grab the map so you would know where you are and where the places have you been through. And as you can see right here, those are the essentials. Right here, the essentials are the sundial, one of the essentials right here, and the compass, and of course the map. So the compass helps you where you need to go, like north, east, west. There you go. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you everything. So we have the map here. Shows a full map with info can be opened anywhere. Old bed, day counter will increase by 1 night. And here bunny trap, placed near a bunny burrow to catch food. Sundial shows how long is left in the day and night, so you would know when it's gonna turn night or day. Regular bed day counter will increase by 1 plus 1 more. Compass shows what direction you're facing. We have the freezer stores food cleanly, and farm plot. Of course, you can grow carrots there. Here's a trap. You can trap wall to fortify your base. Shelf to store your items right there, and wood keeps your wood dry when stored inside. So very useful when it's raining. So now we're just gonna craft to the level 3. So as you can see right now, for our level 3 right here, crafting bench level 3. Here is we have the cooking pot, combine food to make much better food. Solid bed, day counter will increase by plus 1. Radar use scrap to detect important place on the map. And boost pads, get out of base faster. And biofuel turns slugs into and meat into better fuel. Lightning rod attracts lightning and makes it safer, so when there's lightning you won't get hit. Expand the safe zone by small amount. There go the torch and crafting bench. So the crafting bench right here. It unlocks tier 4 crafting right here. So we're gonna try to get this. So we need a 2 and 30. So once you have unlocked that, you will unlock this ammo crate, buy ammo with scrap, giant bed, oil drill, teleporter, teleport you anywhere on the map, requires two to work, and crafting bench unlock tier 5 crafting. So yeah, so we're just gonna find more of those. There we go. Oopsie, dying. Oopsie, forgot to eat it. Started raining. Now that's the fun part. We're gonna need to craft this to our level 5. We have the lightning rod right there. Now as you can see, we can use use the map to go where we want to go. There we go. Okay, we're gonna get the oh oh yeah, yeah. So that's why the lightning rod is useful when you're near the base. When you're not the one who gets hit. Lightning rod is. Now we're just gonna get our movements fast. Oh, lightning there. Oh, those lightnings are very dangerous. So we're gonna grab that, get that. Just craft something our speed boost so we can go to places much faster. So right here. We need more. So we need more wood. As you can see right there, we have about a minute of daylight left before it turns into nighttime. Yeah, still have time. Still have time. There you go. If you're asking who's the person right playing with me, that's my future brother-in-law. Yep. We're just gonna put some things right here. There you go. So now we're gonna get this, get that. And I'm gonna put some food right near here. There you go. There you go. Keep that. They're gonna attack us. I think they're gonna attack. And they're gonna attack now. 6 bullets. I'm hungry. There we go. Let's start with the crossbow man. Boink. Ammo. Gonna help. There you go. Nice. We got the gem. There you go. There you go. Now we can unlock our crafting bench. Oh, we need 30 wood. So we're just gonna build us a boost pad first. I think this is about right. So let's check. There you go. Now we craft. There you go. So there. So now we have ammo crate. We have unlocked all of this right here. And for our, I think this is the final. Yeah, this is the final one. So the final one, right here, the crafting bench. And right here, in the crafting bench level 5, bench 5, you're gonna unlock. So I'm gonna tell you what you can unlock here. You can unlock. First one is respawn capsule. So that's what that do is after charging automatically respawns the most recent died pair inside of it. Second one is temporary accelerometer. So skips the next night once charged. And the last one is the weather machine. After charging, stops rain and thunderstorm for the next 3 days. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions about what you can craft here in 99 Nights in the Forest, just type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.